My name is Maria Juliana Juncos, and I'm a PhD student from Buenos Aires, Argentina. And I had this fantastic opportunity of receiving this grant from Instruct to travel to Europe and visit an amount of places, an amount of institutes, because I was lucky enough to go to MBL Hamburg. I also went to CHERM in Firenze, Italy, and I also had the opportunity to work with a collaborator of us in Lisboa, Portugal, to do some crystallography experiments. My objective for my PhD project is to characterize a transcriptional regulator from Escherichia coli that senses reactive sulfur species. These species are important in the gut because our gut has lots of amount of hydrogen sulfide, so gut bacteria needs to regulate the concentrations of these species. So how do they do that? They do that by expressing these transcriptional regulators, and one of them is YgaV from Escherichia coli, that is my protein. So we wanted to use two techniques that complemented each other. One of them X-ray. On the other hand, we wanted to perform kinetics for the formation of the pentasulfide bridge, and we also had the opportunity to perform some dynamic experiments. So it was a pretty successful research stay in terms of amount of results. Unfortunately, we didn't get diffraction of the crystals, but the opportunity to go. I was super happy. Unless I didn't get any data set, but it was a great opportunity for me. And then the NMR measures, that was invaluable because we couldn't set those. We have an NMR equipment in our home institution, but the experiments we set up with Enrico, we couldn't, those pulse sequences, I couldn't have done that by myself.